Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to open your Google Chrome using keyboard shortcut key in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Firstly, we need to create a Google Chrome shortcut. So by that, please navigate at the bottom search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, please wait until a best match would appear in this window. And the moment that it's appearing in this window, please click this down arrow at the right side of it and go with Open File Location. Now, the moment you do it, you will be redirected to the location where our Google Chrome browser is being saved to. All you need to do is you need to do a right click and go with this copy icon. Once you have copied it, please close the window, do a right click, and go with the spaced icon. Now, once you have created a Google Chrome shortcut, we need to proceed on the doing a right click here. Okay. And please scroll down and go with properties. So from here, you can see there are different options. Please proceed with shortcut. And under this window, you can see shortcut key. So we need to modify our shortcut key. So you can type any of the shortcut key that you want to use in order to open your Google Chrome. So in my case, I want Control, Shift, and A key together. Okay, let me just click on it. Control, Shift, and A key together to set as my shortcut key. So whenever I press Control, Shift, and A key together, I would be able to bring up my Google Chrome browser. So just click on Apply and then OK. So let's check. Press Control, Shift, and A key together. Okay. Control, Shift, and A key together. And in that way, you would be able to bring up your Google Chrome browser. Okay. So if the Control, Shift, and A key together is not working in yours, you can press Control, Alt, and A key together. And in that way, you would be able to bring up the Google Chrome browser using your keyboard shortcut key. Okay. So that's it. You can now enjoy using your Google Chrome browser from accessing it in the keyboard shortcut key. So close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day, everyone.